Good evening, everybody, and welcome to my video tonight. Want to show my new meter here I got. It's a 3 amp DC ammeter, and I've got it wired into this, and also this the Bedini Experimenters board, and then this I have disconnected this one coil here. I'm going to do a comparison between the two and see how each one of them is doing. I guess I got them all running into this, and both will be dumping their energy into this battery right here, and I am going to be running it off of the wall wart here. That's the 12 volt 500 milliamp wall plug there. I don't know if you can see that. There, it's trying to focus. Let that go out a little bit. Doesn't want to focus. Okay. This is 500 milliamp. Anyway, that's what it is. So first thing I wanted to check on is the self resonance without the rotor spinning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and flip it. See, I'm going to turn this up to about right there. I'm going to flip this over so that it's on the variable side and get it going there. And as you can see, we're taking about 250 milliamps there. That's about what, I hope this shadow don't, it's probably messing it all up there. See if I can get the light in there. Yeah, see, it's about 250 milliamps. That's what I'm looking at there. So and that's with it self-resonating. Now the battery has jumped up to 1071 there, and it's putting a charge into it. Okay, but what I'm going to do is see if I'm going to adjust the variable resistance here. I'm going to take it all the way down once. And as I take it down, you see that the resistance went up just a little bit, or the amps went up just a little bit. Now as I crank the resistance up, you can see that it goes, the amps go way down. So if it is cranked all the way over, it is at about 150 milliamps. So that's about 1.5 milliamps, and it is charging the battery pretty quickly. So it's putting a charge in the battery, and it's using very little amps from the wall warts. And nothing's lit up on the board or anything like that. It's just resonating. You would think that everything would be lit up on, and something would be lit up on it, but it's not doing nothing. And it is putting the charge out there. So that's interesting. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it back down, and we watch it come up there. So I'm going to put it about right there. Now that's all the way down to nothing, all the way up. So now we're looking at just under 300 milliamps. So if I take it up to about right there, and that makes it about 100 ohms of resistance across there, and we're at about 2 250 milliamps, I would say. It's kind of hard to, well, you really can't see very good on the camera, that's for sure. What if I try to zoom in on it? That would make it easier for you to see. Get the shadow out of the way. There, that's a little better. A little bit better. Okay, so there's where it's at, running right there. So what I'm going to do is, our light is on now. So I wonder if that's when I turn it down. Oh, see, the light goes out. Interesting. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back to right there. I still got this thing zoomed in here. And I am going to, let's see, our battery's at 1082, so it's really putting out a charge. I want to go ahead and give her a spin. See if I can get her spun up. I really got to spin her up good to get it to engage. There it goes. There it goes. Okay, now, if we look at the meter again. Oops, I just knocked the other meter down. Okay, now we're sitting at 200 milliamps there. Above. And she's speeding up. You know, the faster it goes, the more energy it's going to use. So it's going to climb up there. I'll get the focus on there. It's climbed up over it a little bit. Well, let's take a zoom back out on this thing here. Okay, that's better. Let's take a shot at the RPMs there. Maybe it won't do it. There we go. 575. Still climbing. So it's still hovering. It's about just a little hair over 200 milliamps. We're just running in the variable resistance, and like I said, that's got well, we can check the resistance after we're done playing with this here. So let me see if she's topped out. She tops out about 600. Yeah, it looks like she's topped out at 292. What's happening there? Okay, we're gonna call it 594. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook this circuit into the equation and let's see what happens. So that really jumped it up there. Okay, it doubled. Kinda, almost. So now we're running it just under 400 milliamps. So, and that's with both of them running. Let me get back out here again. Okay, so of course now she's running a lot faster because I got two of them pushing it. So I'm running it. Oh, she's still climbing. Looks like it was 630 there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip this one off, and then that one back down to 300 milliamps. Let's see if we get there. Just there we go. It's like well, to me the needle is right on. Yeah, see, the needle's right on 300 milliamps. Okay, so my circuit uses a little bit more than that, but I have 330 ohm fixed resistance in there, as opposed to the well, whatever that is across there. I'm not going to touch that right there. So uses a little bit more, but like I said, I think it has a more resistance here because of the 330 ohm resistor. Okay, so our battery is sitting on 10.3. I don't know if it's going to take any more from that circuit. Not really. It's probably pretty much topped out, but it's crappy battery. Okay, so what did I want to do? Oh yeah, we was gonna check the resistance of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug the wall wart. So that's unplugged. So the batteries always drop down. Okay, so I need the meter. So I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. How I'm gonna do this. Grab a couple more of these here, just to make it easy for me to connect to. So the white one's going to be one side. Well, it doesn't matter really. Okay. So, let's see if I gotta put this at the very end of my resistance. So that's the very end. And I'm going to unplug and disconnect that battery just so we don't have the energy running through. And let's see here. I'm going through the variable resistor, and that is unplugged, so I'll flip the switch over to the variable resistor side. Ooh, lit up there. It wants to run. Okay. See, I've only got like 10 ohms of resistance there. Let's see, how can I check this? Let's see, I know this is a 10 ohm resistor here, so well, it's not liking that at all, is it? Because it's some play with the other one, I guess, huh? Let's see where to get across this one. Well, I don't know what's going on there. That meter is just jumping around like crazy. Here, let me shut it off and try it again. Oh, you know what? I bet it's this other wire screwing everything up. I bet you. See, now I'm not going to be able to do this with one hand. Yeah, see, that's like, it's probably reading like 329, but it's a 330 ohm resistor. Okay, so if I put, oh, this is going to be a pain in the butt. No, there's no way that I'm going to be able to get that on there to stay on there while I do this. There's no way. It won't stay up on the. I can't get it to stay on there. Well, I'll have to set the camera down. So what I'll do is I'll set this up over here. And, well, I guess I'm not going to be able to set the camera so that you'll be able to still see the meter. So, what a bummer. What a bummer. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go across the resistor from the variable resistor all the way across. It's still not giving me, what is it telling me at the variable resistor? Okay, I got 100 ohms at the variable resistor, or 99, something like that. So apparently I got 1 ohm, or 10 ohms across the whole thing. That must tell me I got 110 ohms. So maybe I gotta go across there and there. So I'm got 110 ohms on this board. Yeah, I have to go across there and there. So that's this one from here. Let's see if I can get in there. From here, this side of that resistor, to this side of this resistor. And then that incorporates this between here and there. Okay. So that's the difference. 220 ohms is the difference between the two boards as far as resistance goes. So I guess that other 220 ohms will make that circuit there use another 100 milliamps roughly. So that was interesting. Very interesting. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed my video. Have a wonderful day. Peace.